Let us look into another example. Among 4 students, average marks of last 3 students is 18 and the average marks of first 3 students is 19. If the marks of fourth student is 22, what will be the marks of first student? Let us consider the 4 students as A, B, C and D. In the problem statement, the average of the first 3 students and the average of last 3 students is given. Along with that, the marks of fourth student is also given to us and we have to find out the marks of first student. First of all, I'm writing the average marks of first 3 students as A plus B plus C over 3 is equal to 19. Next, I'm writing the average marks of last 3 students, that is B plus C plus D over 3 is equal to 18. And it is also given that the marks of D is equal to 22. From this expression, we can write A plus B plus C would be equal to 19 times 3, 57, and B plus C plus D would be equal to 18 times 3, which is 54. Consider this as expression 1 and this as 2. If we observe 1 and 2 carefully, then we can identify the operation that has to be performed on them to get the value of A. See, it is very obvious. If I'll go for a subtraction between 1 and 2, that is 1 minus 2, then B and C can be removed. If I'll take 1 minus 2, that would be equal to A minus D, which is equal to 57 minus 54, that's value is 3. As we know the value of D, A is equal to 3 plus the value of D, 22. So that is equal to 25.